I spent over 65 hours testing ActiveCampaign, Kit, and these 7 other email marketing tools. So in this ActiveCampaign versus Kit comparison, I'll break down their key features like landing page builder, email marketing automation, customer support, and their pricing plans. I'll also score both platforms out of 5 and give you my personal recommendations, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which email marketing provider is best for you. Ease of use. Both platforms are user-friendly but with different organizational approaches. ActiveCampaign is pretty easy to use for such a featured-packed tool. The design is clean with helpful features like demo data and personal onboarding service. Their live chat button is available on every page. However, with so many features, it can feel overwhelming for beginners, and the platform can feel laggy sometimes when loading big sections like automation workflows. Kit's platform is pretty easy to use overall. Most features are straightforward, and the navigation makes sense with features organized by what you want to do, like grow, send, and earn. This goal-based organization helps you find what you need quickly. They also give you a simple 7-step checklist to get started, which is really useful. However, some features seem to double up at first glance, so it might take some getting used to. The platforms take completely different approaches to email editing. ActiveCampaign's drag and drop editor works really well and feels user-friendly. You can save custom blocks to reuse and even see revisions and changes that others have made. It's possible to build a separate version of your email for mobile and hide content when viewed on mobile devices. One handy feature is adding actions like adding tags when contacts click on elements. Kit offers a visual editor that's fast and easy to understand, but it doesn't provide the drag and drop flexibility you find in other platforms. Instead, you add content by typing / or by clicking the plus button. It's different from what most people expect, but once you get used to it, it works pretty well. What impressed me is the range of content you can add, up to 27 different content types, including polls, countdown timers, and even Spotify. ActiveCampaign clearly wins with template quantity and sophistication. They have over 250 modern-looking email templates. You can upload your own HTML templates and save colors, fonts, and logos in a brand kit for consistent branding. It's also possible to save content blocks and reuse them across all your future emails. A cool feature is their AI-powered branding kit, where they automatically pull information from your website to generate on-brand email templates. Kit has 15 email templates for you to choose from, but some seem pretty basic compared to what you get with other email marketing providers. If you know some code, you can upload HTML to create your own templates. While you can save templates and content snippets to reuse in other emails, you can't set styles globally, so your brand's fonts and colors automatically apply to all templates. Both platforms offer landing page builders with different strengths. ActiveCampaign's landing page editor provides a good selection of modern-looking templates, which can be hosted on your own custom domain. On the professional plan and up, you can create personalized web experiences. However, the form builder is super basic with no templates. Kit's landing page editor provides a good selection of 53 modern-looking templates, and there's no limit to how many you can create. However, the design modification options are limited, and their usability is poor compared to competitors. You also can't A/B test your landing pages. One good thing though is you can add your own domain, even on the free plan. You can also create embedded, pop-up, and in-slide forms with some nice designs to help you build your email list. Both platforms tie in ease of use, but serve different user types. ActiveCampaigns offer more familiar drag and drop editing and superior template quality with AI-powered branding, while Kit provides unique goal-based organization and more content variety. The tie reflects that your choice depends on preference. Choose ActiveCampaign for traditional editing or Kit for creative-focused organization. Features. Both platforms handle segmentation well, but at different complexity levels. ActiveCampaign offers really good segmentation, letting you combine a wide range of filters like website visits, email engagement, and purchases. You can add tags to organize your contacts better without any restrictions. Kit allows you to import subscribers with CSV method or directly from tools like ActiveCampaign and MailChimp, which makes it so easy to migrate. The tagging system is really flexible when adding or removing users from campaigns and email sequences. You can also create segments based on opens, clicks, and purchases. This is where ActiveCampaign shows its enterprise-level advantage. ActiveCampaign really stands out here. Their flowchart-style marketing automation is unbeatable and extremely powerful, allowing you to automate follow-up campaigns, create lead scores, trigger abandoned carts, and so much more. There are over 100 triggers and actions and tons of pre-made templates to choose from. However, automations are very limited on their cheapest starter plan. Kit's visual automation feature lets you build customized sequence based on specific triggers like subscribing to a form or making a purchase. You can then set actions like adding a tag or subscribing them to sequences. It's missing some more advanced automations though, like those triggered by abandoned carts and lead scores. You also can't split test within automations. ActiveCampaign has a clear advantage in integration quantity. They offer over 1,000 integration options, so you can connect with key platforms like WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify. The Zapier integration opens up connections with hundreds of additional tools, and the Stripe connection is also really handy for accepting payments straight on the platform. Kit has 37 native integrations with platforms like Canva, Shopify, and Thinkific through their App Store. There's another 135 more available under the legacy integration. However, some integrations here will require more work to set up, which can be a bit annoying. This is where Kit absolutely dominates. ActiveCampaign doesn't offer built-in tools for selling digital products or creating paid newsletter directly. However, their strong CRM features and sales pipeline management make it excellent for service-based businesses and complex sales processes. Kit lets you sell digital products straight from their platform. Their built-in connection with Stripe and 0% fee is a great option to start selling your digital downloads without paying for another subscription service. They also let you create a paid newsletter, and even within the newsletter, you can activate paid recommendations and earn more money by recommending other creators. Not many other competitors offer these features. ActiveCampaign excel in traditional CRM functionality. They offer comprehensive CRM features, including deal tracking, lead scoring, sales pipeline management, and sales automation. This makes them excellent for businesses with complex sales process and multiple team members. Kit focuses more on creator-friendly features rather than traditional CRM. While they have basic contact management, they don't offer advanced CRM features like deal pipelines or lead scoring that ActiveCampaign provides. Both platforms have top deliverability rates. ActiveCampaign has a 93.4% score, which is the highest score from the test. Kit also has a high 91.3% score, so you don't have to worry about your emails getting stuck in the spam folders with either of these platforms. ActiveCampaign offers more comprehensive reporting. They allow reporting on pretty much everything: opens, page visits, geo-tracking, and more. E-commerce reports are also available on certain plans. Another great feature is BotSense, which filters out bot-powered clicks and opens from your reporting to give you a more accurate picture. However, this is only available for pro and enterprise users. Kit's reporting includes the usual open and click rates, plus bounce rate and an engagement funnel. The pro plan includes more advanced features like a graph that tracks subscriber sentiment and an insight feature that lets you track customer journeys. However, Kit's reports are nowhere near as advanced as other tools that offer heat maps or custom reports. ActiveCampaign wins features with vastly superior automation and enterprise-level functionalities. While Kit excels at built-in monetization with zero fees and creator-focused tools, ActiveCampaign's unmatched automation with 100+ triggers and actions, more integrations, comprehensive CRM features, high deliverability, and advanced reporting with BotSense filtering make it a clear winner for businesses needing sophisticated marketing automation. Customer support. Both platforms offer migration support with different approaches. ActiveCampaign offers one of the most complete migration packages available. Even on their entry-level plan, you can migrate key elements like contacts, forms, landing pages, automations, and templates. The personalized support with direct account manager communication makes a big difference. Kit offers personalized migration assistance on the Creator and Pro plans. If you have fewer than 5,000 subscribers, they will help move over subscriber lists, tags, groups, and segments. And for more than 5,000 subscribers, you'll also get help migrating forms, emails, automation, templates, and integrations. This is much more comprehensive than what most competitors offer. Both platforms have a concerning customer satisfaction rating. ActiveCampaign has a 2.9 rating with over 1,000 reviews on Trustpilot. The main complaints are about hidden billing problems, slow and buggy software, and constant price increases. Many users feel trapped by confusing cancellation rules. Kit has a low 1.7 rating on Trustpilot, but this is only based on 20-odd reviews, so it may not be a fair reflection. Most complaints are about customer service and unexpected renewal charges, so keep an eye on your billing. Both platforms provide good support with different strengths. ActiveCampaign support is fast and friendly across all channels. Their knowledge base is really in-depth and easy to search. They also have video tutorial and webinars. Live chat is available on all plans, but only Monday to Friday for 20 hours and Sunday for 5 hours. Phone support is not available. Kit provides great customer support, even on the free plan. Responses come back fairly quickly and they provide clear explanations. You can contact them via email on the free plan and 24/7 live chat on the Creator and Creator Pro plans, which is very handy. They also provide useful tutorials, even though some could be a bit more detailed. Customer support is roughly equal, with both platforms offering comprehensive migration assistance. ActiveCampaign provides more extensive training resources and account manager support, while Kit offers better support availability on free plans and 24/7 live chat on paid plans. Both have concerning Trustpilot rating, making this category a tie despite their different strengths. Pricing. The pricing approaches target different market, with Kit being more creator friendly. ActiveCampaign offers a free trial but no permanent free plan. Their starter plan begins at $79 per month for 5,000 contacts, but it's pretty limited in features. You'll have to upgrade to the Pro plan at $205 per month to start utilizing all the extra features ActiveCampaign is known for. Kit offers a free plan for up to 10,000 subscribers, which is the best in the industry. The free plan includes basic features like email campaigns, landing pages, and forms, but you need to upgrade to use their advanced automations and monetization features. For 5,000 subscribers, you'll pay $89 per month on the Creator plan, and Creator Pro jumping up to $139 per month. These prices are competitive with other creator-focused platforms. Kit wins pricing with the most generous free plan and better value for creators. Kit's free plan supports up to 10,000 subscribers versus ActiveCampaign's no free plan, making it incredibly generous for getting started. While both platforms are expensive for larger lists, Kit's creator-focused features, built-in monetization tools, and ability to earn money directly through the platform make it better value for creators and content-focused businesses. I also have a special discount to save you money on both these tools, so check out the links in the description below. This comparison comes down to business type more than anything else. They both have the same overall ratings and won one category each, so I would recommend ActiveCampaign if you run a traditional business, service company, or B&B operation that needs sophisticated automations and CRM features. But if you're a creator, a blogger, or anyone building an audience-based business, then Kit is your best bet. So now that you're ready to get started with ActiveCampaign or Kit, I recommend watching this full ActiveCampaign tutorial or Kit tutorial here next.